Assalamu alaikum. Hope, like other videos, this video will also aid much in your already existing body of knowledge. And today I'm here with another topic, and that is preposition. In the beginning, I will let you know about the preposition of time. Let us move toward that by and by. Well, what preposition is basically? The word itself suggests that something which is placed before the position. It is got an immense importance whether that preposition is of place or that preposition is of time or any other thing. If I do not know much about you, just if I say I am class, no, I am in the class. Okay, so means in is supposed to let us know where you are. So it's got immense importance in this way. If we don't know about in and on and eight, where the actual which tell us the actual positions, then there's no use of all that. And when we do not know how to use it in time, then we are in trouble again. So my this video will help you how to use in, on, and eight with the time. Let us see first what preposition is. A preposition is a word used to link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence. And second one is they act to connect the people, objects, time, and locations in a sentence. And now see, uh, prepositions are usually short words and they are normally placed directly in front of nouns. This is what the you can say the definition of preposition. Smallest words in an English language which show the relation of the noun or pronoun. Now see, preposition of time, as I told you, this is very much confusing for us where and which type of preposition is to be used. So I'm going to let you know first with the preposition of time in this lecture, and the next lecture would be about preposition of place. Preposition of time shows a specific time period such as date on the calendar, one of the days of the week, like Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, any other day, are the actual times something takes place. What are those important prepositions that we speak about? First one is on, in, and at. In, how to use in the time? What are those things, actual times where we can use in rather than on and at? So this thing will help you a lot. Week, month, years, century, morning and evening, and party. Now see week, how to use this in the week. I will come in the next week. So week, when not on week, 8 week, no, in next week. When ever there is a week, we are supposed to use in with that with him. Months, month is a holistic term. What we are supposed to use is in January, in February, in March. He saw me in March. I was born in March. I got admission in Sakhar IBA in December or in May. So see, whenever there is a name of the month, we are bound to use in with that particular time frame. Years, suppose Pakistan got independence dash 1947. We cannot use on or 8, but in. He got independence in 1947. Okay, I was born, so take your own birth date. I was born in 1990, suppose. So you may use date with yourself as well. So whenever there is a term of the year, mean 1947, 1950, 2005, 2020. So with the year name, we are supposed to use in with that. Then centuries. Centuries mean 5th century, 6th century, 8th century. English started from in 5th century. Pakistan got independence in 20th century. So in 5th century, 6th century, 7th century, whenever there is a century, we have to use in with that. And then morning and evening. Morning and evening, these are the special parts of the day by the nature itself. That's why we use here in with the morning and evening. In the morning, in the evening, like that. And again, there's one more word, and that is season. Season means summer, winter, autumn, spring. With I will join Sakhar IBA in winter. I will visit northern areas of Pakistan in summer. So with those seasons, we have to use in with that. Party. So party and special day, there's a difference. I attended his marriage party, his birthday party. When there's a party, we have to use in. Hope these most important things are there. You will repeat them and you will learn many things. This was about in. Let us move towards the another one, and that is on. On is used with the days, dates, and special day. Days, dates, and special day. Days mean today it is Friday. I will come on Saturday. I will come on Sunday. So on is used with the days, and in is used with the months. Dates. On 5th January, when there's a month in January, and if there's a date is mentioned, then we are supposed to use on. Suppose Pakistan got independence in 1947, all right. Pakistan got independence in August 1947, all right. But if I say 14th August, it means on 14th August. Means when there's a name, means the particular date is mentioned. जब डेट दी जाती है जैसे 15th, 10th, 12th, तो आपको वहां पर आन इस्तेमाल करना पड़ता है. अगर डेट का वो एक पर्टिकुलर डे वहां पर मेंशन है, अगर सिर्फ इस तरह से मंथ है तो आप इन इस्तेमाल करते हैं, जैसे इन जनवरी एंड फरवरी. स्पेशल डे. नाउ सी, दिस इज वेरी मच कॉमन विद अस. As I told you that we use with the party in and with the special day on. Suppose birthday. Birthday we have to use on birthday. अगर birthday के साथ party का वर्ड आ रहा है in birthday party, तो ये यहाँ पर फर्क आ जाता है. अगर पार्टी आ रहा है तो इन इस्तेमाल करना पड़ेगा, अगर सिर्फ डे आ रहा है तो ऑन इस्तेमाल करने पड़ेगा. सपोज क्रिसमस डे, ऑन क्रिसमस डे. Diwali, on Diwali, happy moment for different religions are there. On Eid day, on birthday. So there's the difference. When there's a party word is included, you are bound to use in, and there's no party, just day is mentioned, then you are supposed to use on with that. Moving towards another one, 8. 8 is used for the fifth time. My class is 8, 9 o'clock. अब यहाँ पर मैं इन या ऑन इस्तेमाल नहीं करूंगा. 10 बजे तो 8, 10 o'clock. 2 बजे 8, 5 o'clock. ठीक है, एग्जैक्ट टाइम क्यों बता रहा है. पार्ट्स ऑफ डे. पार्ट्स ऑफ डे मॉर्निंग और इवनिंग को छोड़ देते हैं क्योंकि हम वहां पर स्पेशल है बाय नेचर, इसलिए वहां पर इन इस्तेमाल करें. अदर जो पार्ट्स होते हैं, नून, आफ्टरनून, नाइट, मिडनाइट, ठीक है ना, तो लेट नाइट, इन सब के लिए हम लोगों को 8 इस्तेमाल करना पड़ता है. 8, ये 8 नहीं है, 8 होता है स्पेस, स्पेशली बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट होता है 8. 8. So see, we have to use 8 with the parts of the day. So I'm pretty sure that this small lecture might have developed your learning just with the preposition of time. And then there's a kind of small exercise. Use that and send the answers to me through the same blog, and I will see whether you come to the mistakes or not. So there are different options are there. You have to use with them just in, on, or 8 only. If you have any query, you are welcome. Thank you and have a nice day.